It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi everyone out there. Today on It's Vegan, we're back in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, and we're gonna check out Dawg. Come on in. The first thing I noticed walking into Dawg is this beautiful chandelier. Then I find myself in a cute little cafe area. They have chalkboards with their daily specials on them, some artwork, a community board. I find myself at the counter where I meet some friendly workers and we look over the menu. We are getting ready to order today. I have with me
Jess, Nicole, Rachel.
Rachel's the owner here, and I have already looked over the menu, but of course I always have some vegan questions anyways. I saw that you have tacos with vegan options. Is the chorizo vegan or just vegetarian?
It is vegan.
Oh, cool.
It is tofu based. We sear it off here in house, crumble it up, and then add in the same spices that we would have in a normal chorizo.
Nice. We are going to do the chorizo tacos.
Okay.
A quinoa bowl. No cheese at the Okay. The grilled vegetable salad with
Chimichurri.
chimichurri. I wasn't sure how to say it. Thank you for jumping in there.
Absolutely.
That was the side?
The salad.
Salad. Got it. Did you want to add any protein to that? Any tofu or
Chorizo to that too.
or you could add like black beans?
Oh, flopping.
Yeah.
Do you like that? And then, do you guys bring this to our table?
Yeah,
we have
absolutely.
everything.
All right. Thank you, ladies.
Yeah,
Do you need anything to drink?
Other
than water?
Just take some water.
Okay.
Thank you.
We do some really nice
Oh.
water, or if you want plain, or
I'll try the grapefruit ginger. I'm a big fan of grapefruit and ginger.
yeah.
Mix it together. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you. Dawg also offers a full coffee bar with vegan options, but I had already had my coffee for the day. After we place our order, instead of sitting in the cafe, we decide to head deeper into Dawg. Once we head back past the bathrooms, we end up at a bar where you can sit and order food and drinks, or you have an option to go into their new extended back room. While looking around and deciding where I want to sit, I end up running into a local and striking up a conversation with...
My name is Marcus Morelli. I'm from Greensburg, PA.
What do you think about Dawg here as a regular customer?
Dawg's amazing because it's a unique place in Greensburg. It has an awesome vibe here, real chill atmosphere. The staff is really friendly.
You can bring your vegan friends and your not vegan friends and eat dinner together. We just wanted to get his thoughts on it. He's not a vegan, but he thinks it's a great spot to come and hang out. And we both feel like it's got a great atmosphere. You should come down and check it out yourself. We're down on Main Street, Greensburg.
Dawg. Gotta stop in.
After my nice little chat, I decide to head into the new addition to check it out. There's Mom in the background. Back here, they have a second bar that they open up when they move all of the tables out of the way in this beautiful dining room and have local musicians in to play. Now it's time for us to try our food. I am starting with this huge, beautiful grilled salad. Well, grilled vegetables on a salad. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to cut a piece out of this. This bite's never going in my mouth on me. Those grilled vegetables are cooked perfectly. It's like a green goddess dressing or something, kind of. We added black beans to this on the side. Good addition. So delicious, and what beautiful greens too. Next, we have chorizo tacos, and their chorizo is vegan. With some salsa verde on the side here. And do a little dip. I like to dip. That is good chorizo. And I feel like they season that here. We might have to ask them about that. And the salsa is delicious. So there's a little bit of cilantro in there, some black beans. Oh, and it's grilled. It's delicious. Just what you would expect from a good chorizo. That's not gonna make it home. This is a quinoa bowl with tofu, guacamole, some rice, some quinoa, pico salsa, It's like soaked tofu. And maybe they like crisped it up on the outside. Mmm, so delicious. That is, I don't know how they did that tofu. That's great. I gotta learn how they did that tofu. Whether you're a vegan or the friend of a vegan, you should bring them down to Dawg and try out some of this food. And they are very helpful and have many option choices for you here. I'll be back to sign off, but I'm gonna finish my meal. I am loving this chorizo, and did you say that you make this here?
We do. We make this in-house. We get just blocks of tofu, sear that off just to get a nice little char on the outside, crumble it up, and then add in the same types of spices that you would have in a regular chorizo.
It is amazing.
Good. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, we try and make everything as flavorful as we can, regardless of what dietary,
Right.
lifestyle issues, anything like that. We want everybody happy hearts and happy tummies,
Yeah, what a
It's
great
good.
thing.
Yeah. But I'm glad you like it.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Absolutely.
we just finished our awesome meal here at Dawg, and we just wanted to thank you for having us in.
Thanks
This
for
was
coming.
so
It was
great.
really great having you.
This is
Lots
a
of fun.
Nice atmosphere here,
Yeah.
and we really enjoyed it.
Cool. Thanks. Come see us again.
Thank you.
Have a great day, everybody.
Come stop down at Dawg and see Rachel here in Greensburg if you get a chance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
I messed up
Check
on
it
that.
out.
Sorry.